Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can set wallpapers in Infinix smartphone. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video if you not liked it. So let's start. First go to settings in your phone, then go to more connections, and here you find, then press back. You can see there is a theme and lock screen. Then click on my wallpapers. You can get so many of default one. You can simply tap on it like this and apply, and then wherever you apply on home screen or lock screen, on both, just click on it. And if you want to go live wallpapers, then click on live wallpapers. You can download it from the themes app, or if you want to customize your wallpaper, just click on gallery and you can use your gallery photos instead, and you can apply it from there. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.